You're on. Go.
On?
Yeah, you're on. Go.
Is the camera rolling?
The camera's rolling. Go.
Hi. I'm Roger Melbourne. I'm Roger Melbourne. Welcome to the Summit. Here at Summit Apartments, we really enjoy residence and nature. With beautiful landscaping and an even more beautiful pool, we welcome all shapes and forms of human life, even fat people. So come on down to the Summit, because we love nature. If you see me on the Wild Show this week at 7 p.m.
Up there, and it starts recording. Oh, you have the light on. You have a recording? Is it recording?
The red dots showing.
Go ahead and just aim it at me. Hi, I'm Leonard. Right now we're driving to the location of our nature show. We hope it's gonna be good. hope you boys might get some nature lessons. Just make sure to watch for volume 2 when it comes out, which I'll be making. This is just volume 1. Thanks. See you at the spot. Nature calls. Hi, welcome to Nature's Calls, where we talk about nature and everything nature related, nature in America. And today we're talking about the great outdoors, nature. This is our guest on the show today. He's our sponsor. He gives us money and stuff to talk about nature. His name's Roger Melbourne.
My name's Roger Melbourne.
Roger Melbourne, and he's going to give us some information on forest mushrooms. Take it away, Roger.
Hey there. Hey there. Did you know there's over 100 different types of mushrooms in the forest daily? This right here is a white mushroom. Unlike cooked brown mushrooms that you normally see domesticated on your pizza or sauteed on your favorite steak.
Thanks, Roger. That was great. Are you going to come to the forest with me today?
You bet.
Cool. You never know what we're going to find. Let's go. Hey, welcome back to where we are. We're in the forest, and we found these flowers, and we don't know what the heck they are. So we have to call our friend Mountain Pete to help. Help me call him. Mountain Pete.
Hey, what's going on, boy?
Hey, Mountain Pete. We found these flowers. Can you help?
Well, that over there, the white honey of little lilac flower.
That's a wild honey lilac flower. That's what he said.
Yep.
Mountain Pete, how'd you learn so much about the forest?
I go over in the woods right now.
You lived in the woods?
Hola.
He lived in his woods his whole life. That's crazy. So, Mountain Pete, where should we go next?
I go find my hat. That's what we do next.
We're gonna go on the adventure to find his hat. Come with us. See ya. Let's go.
Yep.
Hey, this is Wild Steve.
Hey!
I'm I'm Roger Melbourne, and we're gonna show you some night nature.
Steve Wild's here to tell us about something that we talked about a little earlier, but instead of light, it's dark. Here's Nocturnal Mushrooms with Steve Wild.
What are these, Steven?
I believe those are nocturnal mushrooms. Can you give some insight on those?
They don't taste good.
Is that what?
Shh. You scare them off. You scare them right off.
Or on the shot, keep them on. I don't want to scare them away. So what? How do they grow, Steve?
When the mushrooms, when they see each other, they come together and they do a little ballet. And they come together like that. That's not good. They don't think that's right. I know you brought science into this, and I'm no educated man.
So Stephen, when they grow in the forest, do you step on them a lot?
You don't step on these. Nah. You sleep on them.
They look like the fungi I would get on my foot.
That's not true. Only I grow these on my feet.
And are they your own special mushrooms?
They call wild man mushrooms.
Now, what if I would put them in a stew?
You trip out, mate.
We wouldn't want that. Let's get out of here.